Good morning everyone, I am Iman and along with my teammates I am proudly presenting my project that is the Ultrasonic Radar System. This Ultrasonic Radar System was created by us in our school, Belobama Institutional School, Pampur, and this system is working on the basis of the ultrasonic sound waves and the sonar technology. Our model reflects how the main spirit of Viksit Bharat event 2047, where science and technology can work together in order to make our nation stronger and safer. This system uses ultrasonic sound waves in order to detect the obstacles and in order to display their live location in the current time. It also displays the polar coordinates where it shows the distance and the angle of the obstacle. Our idea shows that how even simple innovations can create a big impact when powered by young minds. With this project, our aim is to make our Bharat a secure and a stronger nation. Thank you. The main components that we have used in this system in order to make it cost efficient and in order to make it economical. So the main processor that we have used is the Arduino microcontroller and ultrasonic sensor and a servo motor, and we have used a bunch of jumper wires which are essential for providing the connection, and we have used a simple cable in order to connect it with our computer. The main processing is done by this microcontroller, which acts as the brain of this project. This project becomes a cost efficient project because it all uses very low cost projects, and it can set an example for a good prototype of radar. If we talk about the ultrasonic sensor sends the sound waves. The sound waves whose frequency is above 20 Hz, which is above the hearing limit of the human ear. It consists of a sender and a receiver. Sender sends the sound waves, and when it strikes an obstacle, the obstacle reflects back those sound waves, and the sound waves are transmitted into the receiver. Once the signals are detected by the model, the sound waves get converted into the electrical signals, and the electrical signals get displayed into the computer system. In this system, we have used the main thing is that it shows us all of the polar coordinates, means it shows us the angle as well as the distance of the obstacle. Now if we demonstrate this project, let us suppose when I keep my hand in front of this project, it will show the distance as well as it will show the angle, means it will show the polar coordinate of the obstacle. Whenever the obstacle comes, and it gets red and shows the obstacle in its surrounding. About the uses and the applications of our radar system, first use is, and the main important use is that it can be used in the defense and security of the country. It works as a 24/7 surveillance system which can be used in our air stations in order to detect the obstacles. Also, it can detect any of the intruders or any of the outsiders and can detect in the radar, and our country can generate a response against it. Also, the second main important use that we have created it because that it can be used in smart transportation in vehicles. In vehicles, it can act as a radar system that can detect any of the obstacle, or in the traffic when any of the person is coming in front of it, it detects the object, gives the distance, and the car can control itself by its own, means it can work as an ADAS system. Also, it can be used in robots and automations where we can use it as a detection system where it can detect objects and in order to generate this further response. So overall, our project aims in order to make our Bharat a strong and safer nation, and it is a very crucial project for our nation because with this project we aim to make our India safer and our lives safer. Thank you everyone.